Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class nursery. So let's start our class. Today's topic is missing numbers, part 1. That means this is the first class on the topic of missing numbers. Your lecture number is 13 for the annual term examination of 2021. Your homework number is 13 today. That means you have a homework today. My dear students, I have already write down the questions and the topic here. This is your CW class. Your topic is missing numbers. Okay, and there is the question. The question is write the missing numbers of the followings. That means there are two questions, 1 and 2. In these two questions, some numbers are missing here. You should fill up only these numbers gap. Okay, first question is there given is 51, 52 here from left to right. My students, remember this one. When we fill up the numbers, then we should go from left to right, not up to bottom. You should go from left to right. Okay, the first one is given is 51. Then we have noted after 51 is 52. Then after 52, which number comes, we need to write down here in this place. Okay, after 52 we know that the number comes which is 53. So 53 will be here. Okay, it is 53. 5 and 3 makes the number 53. Dear students, after 53 the number comes which is 54. So this one is correct. We have write down here, this one is absolutely correct. Now after 54, look, there is a gap. So after 54, which number comes, that number need to be write down here. After 54, we know that the number comes which is 55. 5 and 5, 55. We should write down here 5 with 5, the number which is 55. Okay. Now after 55, which number comes here? This is also a gap. That means after 55, which number comes, that number need to write down in this box. And we know that after 55, the number comes which is 56. 5 and 6 makes the number 56. It is 5 and 6 makes the number which is 56. Now my dear students, after 56, the number comes which is 57 is given. Right? So we need to fill up the next blank which comes after 57. That means after 57, which number comes, we need to write down in this box. And we know that after 57, the number comes which is 58. My dear students, 58 is 5 and 8, 58. 5 and 8 makes the number which is 58. Okay. Then after 58, the number comes which is 59, which is given. And we know that after 59, the number comes which is 60. That means this blank will be filled up by the number 60. Okay. And we know that 60 is 6 and 0 is 60. It's 6 and 0, it is 60. So the blanks are filled up. Now read out this one. You should read down yourself. Read out yourself for the revision. Okay, is there a mistake or not? Is 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and it is 60. So our written is correct. Our gaps are correct now. Okay. Now come on question number 2. Here is first number is 71. After 71 there is a gap. My dear students, I am repeating again, we should go from left to right. Okay. So after 71, next one is our gap. After 71, the number comes which is 72. That means this gap will be filled up with the number 6, 7 and 2. It is 72. Okay. After 72, the number comes which is 73, which is given. And after 73, there are two gaps. That means after 73, we will write down two numbers in these two gaps. After 73, the number comes which is 74. We should write down 74 here. 7 and 4, 74. And after 74, the number comes which is 75. We know that the number 75 is 7 and 5 makes the number 75. Okay. After 75, the number comes which is 76, which is given here. And my dear students, after 76 there is another two gaps. That means after 76 the two number will fill up these blanks. Okay, 76, then it comes 77, and then it comes 78. So you should write down the 77 and 78 in this blank. Okay, 77 in the first blank of the pair, and the 78 we should write down in the next gap of this pair gaps. Okay, and after 78, my dear students, is 79 and 80 is given. So our blank fill up is done. Now read out the numbers again for the revision, for the checking again. It's 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79 and 80. I hope, dear students, you have understood how to fill up the blanks and how to write down the missing numbers. Now, my dear students, this CW is your HW, and your HW number is 13. Your HW number is 13. Please mention this HW number in the left top corner of your copy, and you can submit your HW in every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.